Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to learn about the coordinate plane. Here is all of the theoretical knowledge that you need to know about the coordinate plane. First of all, the coordinate plane refers to this block over here that has got tiny squares within it. In the block we've got the x and the y axis, which makes a plus sign right through the middle of the page. The x axis is the one that goes from left to right, and the y axis is the one that goes from top to bottom. Notice that each xy axis is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So we know where the x-axis is, it's vertical, and the y-axis is horizontal. They are both number lines. The next thing that you need to know are the quadrant. Because this plus sign divides the page into 4 different squares, we name each square a quadrant. Our first quadrant is where x is positive and y is positive. Our second quadrant is where x is negative and y is positive. Our third quadrant is where x is negative and y is negative. And our fourth quadrant is where x is positive and y is negative. I know this is new information. It will make sense to you later. The next thing that you need to know is that we've got the point of origin. Origin is where x is 0 and y is 0. It's also the point where the x and the y intersect. The word intercept means that they cut each other. So that's where they cross over. What is an ordered pair? An ordered pair is a number, or a set of numbers, such as 3, minus 2 in brackets, which is used to locate a point on the coordinate plane. So this is basically the address of a point on the coordinate plane. Our ordered pair is always written in the same format. You always have the x value first, then a comma, and then the y value, and it's always in brackets. Our first question is asking us to write the ordered pair to each point that is graphed on the point on the right. State which quadrant they are found in. So let's start. We can start with point number Q, which is over there. In order for us to do this, we always start with x first and then y. So on our x value, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to the right. It's positive 5. And then we're going to go 1, 2 down, which is going to be negative 2. So our value for Q then is going to be 5, minus 2. Let's look at the coordinate for R. So the x value for R remains 0. And the y value for R is 1, 2, 3 values up, 3 jumps up, so it's positive 3. R is 0.03. Point S, we're going to go 1, 2, 3 jumps to the left. So the x value is going to be minus 3 because we went left. And the y value is 1 jump up, 1. Minus 3, 1. And then we have point P. So for point P, we're going to do 2 jumps to the left. P is minus 2. And then the y value is 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps down, minus 4. And that's the value of our Q, R, S, and P point. Graph and label each point on the coordinate plane. Let's start with T. T is 0.23. So I'm going to take my x value. I'm going to go 2 to the right, 1, 2, and I'm going to go 3 up, 1, 2, 3. That is where point T is. Let's do U. Minus 4, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. That is point U. Point V is minus 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And y is 0, so it stays on the x-axis. That is point V. And point W is 1 minus 2. So 1 to the right and 2 down. That is point W. Guided practice. For guided practice, I want you to pause the video, answer the questions, and then come back, play the video, and check if your answers are correct by matching them with mine. Those are the answers for question 4, 5, 6, and 7. Question 8, 9, 10, and 11 wants you to plot the point on the coordinate plane. Again, pause the video and come back and see if your answers are correct. Those are the answers for 8, 9, 10, and 11. Next, for independent practice, we will work on that together in class. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.